You really can't let the world harden you. You can't filter your emotions. You have to feel everything. Because once you try to suppress one, everything will follow. If you try to suppress your anger, your capacity to be at peace and to be joyful will also be suppressed. And you don't want that. The world is hard already. You can't let it make you hard as well. Stay soft and stay open, stay curious. And yeah, I'll let you see what I'm seeing right now. Look, guys. Look at the fishes. Look at them. Oh my! I'm in a mangrove. Look at that place. Isn't it wonderful?